Okay, Mahim, start the reading.
Bull's milk. One day, Akbar became very ill. He had a
Terrible, terrible pain, terrible.
terrible pain in his stomach. So he went to the doctor. The doctor came at once, examined the king, and then said, "I have a very good medicine here. It will make you well again in no time, but you must take it with the bull's milk."
Okay.
The king was very surprised to hear this, for he had never heard of the bull's milk. So he turned to the doctor and said, "I think there is a mistake.
Mistake.
How it is possible to get bull's milk?" "No, there is no mistake, sir," replied the doctor. Ask
Ask Birbal to get.
Birbal to get some bull's milk for you. He is very clever and can do anything. Now this doctor hated Birbal, as Birbal didn't want him to take money from the poor people for medicines which the king had asked him for. Gave free of cost.
Free of cost.
Free of cost. The doctor saw his
Chance.
chance. He thought this would be a good way of troubling
Birbal.
Birbal.
Yes.
After the doctor had left, Akbar at once called Birbal. He asked him to get him bull's milk as the doctor advised. Birbal at once understood the doctor was trying to make trouble for him. "But how can I give bull's milk?" asked Birbal. Akbar became angry. "I don't know," he said. "You must get it once for the doctor says that I must take medicine only with the bull's milk." But Birbal knew that if he argued more, the king would become all more angry. So he
bowed low and left the palace. मतलब वो झुका, उसने झुक के उसको अल्लाह हाफिज कर दिया. Next.
When he reached home, he ate his meal and then sat thinking hard as how to get bull's milk. His daughter, seen Birbal looking so sad, asked him what the matter was. At first he would not tell her, but she begged him again and again to tell her. At last he did. "The king asked me to get the bull's milk, or I shall be put to death." It is that all, father," said the girl. "Don't worry about it. I'll put it soon right." So Birbal left the matter to his
Birbal left the matter to his daughter.
Birbal left the matter to his daughter. When night came, she collected some dirty clothes, went to the bank of river.
Yes.
River.
River.
क्या लिखा है? जामिला.
मेरे पास यहाँ पे आपकी बुक का ये वाला पेज नहीं जो आप रीड कर.
ऊपर है.
ये देखे कहाँ पे है?
ये वाला ऊपर करे. यहाँ पर ये वहाँ ये वाला पेज है जहाँ पर
नहीं, मेरे पास इसके नेक्स्ट वाला पेज है. इसके नीचे देखें लिखा हुआ है, इज दिस द टाइम टू वॉश क्लॉथ्स, हु आर यू. ये चीज़ आ रही है मेरे पास.
नहीं ऊपर करे.
ओके ठीक है. यस फाउंड इट. When night came,
मेरे बाबा ने
when night came, she collected some dirty cloths, went to the bank of the river Jamuna.
Jamuna,
यस,
and
ये
choose
रिवर
a
का नेम है.
spot. ये इंडिया में जमुना एक रिवर है.
यस यस यस.
And choose a spot just beneath the king's bedroom window at midnight when everyone was asleep. She started washing the clothes. First, she
Dipped.
the clothes in
Dipped.
the river, dipped the clothes in the river. Then she beat them with heavy sticks. Third, the
Third.
stick. Third went the sticks. The king woke up. He was very angry at the noise. At the noise, he sent a guard to find out what was the noise. The guard went out, found the girl washing clothes on the bank of river. What are you doing here? He shouted. Can't you not see? Replied the girl. I am washing clothes. It's
Yes.
time to wash clothes. Who are you? I am a girl. Whose daughter? My father's was replied. Who is your father? My mother's husband. Don't try, don't try to be clever, my girl," said the guard. "Come with me to the king. He will deal with you myself. He himself."
Hmm.
When the guard told the king how rudely the girl had replied, he became very angry. Turned to the girl. He said loudly, "Who are you? Why have you come to
Wash the clothes beneath my bedroom window.
The girl pretended to be afraid. "Sir," she said, "I had washed clothes at night. My father gave birth to a son this afternoon. I couldn't not wash the dirty clothes in the evening, so I had to come wash at the night." "Excuse me, sir, nonsense, you silly girl," cried the king. "You are trying to make fool of me. Who has ever heard of the man having a baby?" "Well, your majesty," replied the girl, "whoever heard of the bull's milk?"
Bull
He
giving a
smiled.
milk.
Bull giving a milk. He smiled and asked, "Aren't you the daughter of Barbil?"
Birbal.
"Birbal, yes, sir, I am his daughter," replied the girl. Akbar was very pleased. Akbar
Pleased.
was very pleased. Pleased, matlab happy with the girl, cleverness and courage. Turning to the girl, he said, "Well, go and tell your father that Akbar has received the bull's milk. It is to be give to the baby, and Akbar give birth to a
It is
Barbie."
to be given to the baby that Bible give birth to.
"But sir, how will my father believe me?" said the girl bluntly. "I will
Boldly. Boldly.
boldly. It, I will give it to you in writing," said the king. Akbar at once took a piece of paper and wrote it. "The bull's milk sent through your daughter has been received. I am sending it back to feed the baby that you have had." He then signed it and gave it to the girl. The girl thanked the king and returned home with the paper. Barbie laughed
Hurtly. Hurtly.
heartily when he told the whole story and showed him the paper signed by Akbar. Baba never knew that his daughter was so clever.
You learn. State whether the given statements are true or false. Birbal was King Akbar's trusted minister. Is it true or false? Akbar was Birbal was King Akbar's trusted minister. It is true. अकबर को सबसे ज़्यादा ट्रस्ट किस पे था? बिरबल पे था. Birbal left the matter to his niece. No, to his daughter. Very good. The daughter went to the bank of the river Ganga. Jamuna. Jamuna, yes. Daughter was extremely bold and clever. True. She is extremely bold and clever. No, she is a clever but not bold. No, you can say that bold. She went to the king and she talked him very confidently. So she is a very bold girl. You can say that. It is a 2. So, lines and to whom? First one, I have a very good medicine. You must take it with bull's milk. Who said? To whom? Yes, to the Akbar king. I don't know, you must get it at once. Who said? Okay.
चलेंगे निमिषा आशा चली गई है, निकल गई है बाहर। हाँ वो है हमारा, उसका एक बोला हमारा।
तू गया होगा?
नहीं कोई नहीं गया। आयशा चली गई है, उसे बोलो।
नहीं वो कह के गई कि मैं 1 घंटे तक वापस आऊंगी।
अच्छा अभी बाजार गए।
Okay, so the next question is,
नहीं गया होगा, देखो जब।
is that all? Don't worry about it. I'll soon put that right. Who said? Oh, sorry, second one. I don't know, you must get it at once. Who said? To whom? Birbal. Birbal, yes. Is that all? Don't worry about it. I'll soon put that right. Who said? To her father. Birbal, her father. Okay, Birbal. It is the time to wash clothes. Who are you? Who said? Girl. To the girl. Go and yes. Daughter, चलें ठीक है daughter ठीक है. Go and tell your father that I have received the bull's milk. Who said? To whom? Very good. The correct answer from the options given. Akbar fell ill. He suffered from pain in throat, terrible pain in stomach or pain in the arm. Yes. Second option को आगे टिक कर दे, बॉक्स बना हुआ है. The doctors prescribed dash to the king. Cow's milk, goat's milk, bull's milk. Very good. Doctor hated Birbal. He wanted to make trouble for Birbal, make fun of Birbal. Yes, trouble. Birbal confused to his wife, daughter or niece. The daughter started washing clothes at midnight, at the afternoon or in the evening. Very good. Is the boy? He is my brother. Sunaina is a girl. She is my sister. Boy and brother belong to the masculine gender. Girl and sister belong to the feminine gender. Match the nouns in a column A with its female counterpart in column B. A. Father को किसे मिलाएंगे? Very good. Son. Grandfather. Uncle. Yes. Aunt. Brother. ब्रदर को किससे मिलाएंगे? ब्रदर. सिस्टर से. वेरी गुड. बॉय. मैन. Husband. Very good. Nephew. Very good. Grandson. Actor. King. Gentleman. Yes, very good.